Hey, welcome to 2MinutesPy. Today we're going to dive deep into two vital file handling functions in Python, seek and tell. These functions are essential for fine-tuning your file operations. Let's start with the tell function. Think of it as your file's GPS. It tells you exactly where you are in the file. It returns the current position within the file in bytes. For example, if you open a file called sample.txt in read mode and use file.tell, you'll get your current position within the file. Let's run this code and see what it gives us. The code returns 0 because it reads the current position within the file right after opening it. And the initial position within the file is at the beginning, which is byte 0. Now let's talk about the seek function. It's like a teleportation device for your file, allowing you to move the current position to a specific location within the file. Seek takes two arguments, offset and the reference point. To set the position, for example, 10 bytes from the beginning of the file, we use file.seek function and pass the first argument, 10, which represents the offset. It tells Python how many bytes we want to move within the file, and then the second argument, 0, which represents the reference point. In this scenario, 0 signifies the beginning of the file. So, we're instructing Python to move our current position to 10 bytes from the start of the file. Now, after using seek, you can double-check your position within the file using file.tell. Let's run this code to verify the updated position within the file. We will get 10 as the output, which is the current position within the file after the seek operation, which is 10 bytes from the beginning. And there you have it. Tell helps you know where you are, while seek allows you to go wherever you want within your file. They're your navigation tools in the world of file handling. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Python topics. Thanks for tuning in. That's all for now. And as always, keep coding.